Today I'm in the popular residential area of Bathpool, showcasing the substantial 4/5 bedroom detached home. Now this property benefits from ample gated driveway parking, numerous reception rooms, plus a sizable rear garden. What's more, it's even offered to the market with no onward chain. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic home, or indeed a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.